Welcome to Wickr. Thank you for taking the time to watch the following demo. In this video, we will be walking you through the main features and functionality that Wickr has to offer. If you haven't downloaded Wickr yet, you can do so at www.wickr.com/downloads. Wickr is available on all major platforms, including iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, and Linux. To begin, let's take a look at how to use the features available in Wickr's secure rooms. Your room details can be accessed by clicking on the information icon at the top right, or by clicking the room name on mobile devices. Within your room details view, you can view the current members as well as add new members. Only room moderators have the ability to add or remove members and change room settings. To make a room member a moderator, click the menu icon to the right of the room member, or hold down on the room member on mobile devices. Moderators are able to adjust the expiration timer, which is how long a message remains in the room before it is automatically deleted. Moderators can also turn on the burn-on-read timer, which will delete a message within a specified time frame after it's read by the recipient. Now let's look at all of the features available within a conversation. You'll notice a green dot next to names of members within a room. That dot indicates the user's online status. A full green dot means the user is currently active. You can turn off your status within the settings menu. When composing a message, you mention the entire room using @all, or mention an individual user using @ followed by their username. To add a file, click the plus icon and select the file you wish to upload. Keep in mind that, just like messages, files will also be deleted according to the room's expiration settings. If instead you would like to ensure that the file is always available to members of the room, you can save the file to the room. To do so, open the message menu on the file and choose Save to Room. On mobile devices, you can access the message menu by holding down on the message itself. To access previously saved files or links within a room, open the room details and click on Saved Items. You can also star important messages so they can easily be retrieved at a later time. To access a starred message, use the room's search feature and click the star icon in the search bar. Keep in mind that starring a message does not prevent the message from being deleted according to the room's expiration settings. Wickr also allows you to send voice messages instead of typing. To record a new voice message, click the microphone icon. You'll have a chance to review your voice message before you send. Wickr makes it easy to share your location. Just click the plus icon and choose whether you want to share your current location or if you want to continuously share your live location. To ensure that replies don't get lost in the mix, you can directly reply to a previous message. To do so, open the message menu by right-clicking on the message and select Reply. Emoji reactions are a quick and convenient way to respond to a message. Emojis can be selected in the message menu or by clicking the emoji icon on the message itself. If another user has already added an emoji reaction, you can add an additional by clicking on their reaction. If you ever need to delete a message that was already sent, you can do so in the message menu. Choosing Delete for All will ensure that the message is removed from your device as well as all of the recipient's devices. All of these features are also available in direct messages. Direct messages are just one-on-one conversations between you and another Wickr user. With Wickr's exciting new Global Federation feature, users can communicate with anyone on any Wickr product, inside or outside of your organization. For example, let's connect you with a Wickr Me user. Simply type in the contact's Wickr Me username and confirm. You'll notice a warning at the top which indicates that the user you are talking to is outside of your organization's network. Global Federation can be controlled by your network administrator inside your network dashboard. To access your network dashboard, select Admin Controls in the main menu. You will immediately see your organization's dashboard. This quick dashboard shows how many users are active or pending. Active users are users who have successfully activated their Wickr accounts, and pending users are users that you should remind to take action. From this dashboard, you can invite new users, and here's how. You can either add users individually, or you can upload a CSV file for larger groups. Although for larger teams that want to onboard their company, you have the option, which we love, to enable Wickr to use single sign-on. We've partnered with many SSO providers, including Okta, to make this experience easy. Once you invited your initial users, let's focus on how you want to apply your organization's information governance policies. Wickr offers many options that can be tailored, per user or group, on how information is retained and who can communicate with other Wickr users outside of your Wickr environment. Let's take a look under the hood. To start, choose Security Group under Network Settings. Wickr has a standard default security group in place. Administrators can define several different security groups that are custom-tailored by you to meet your desired outcomes. Let's walk through the security group settings and options. Wickr Open Access, a valuable feature for employees or executives who travel to certain geographies that may circumvent communication. This allows for reliable communication, even in the harshest network environments. User Availability. See how long the user has been active or online. This feature is also controlled in the Wickr client. Allow for Wickr invites. This will allow your users to invite others outside your network to communicate with your employees over Wickr. Sharing location. The user can send a GPS map, important for personal security teams when they need a VIP's location. Also useful when meeting a person at a coffee shop. Your policy may also restrict certain groups of users from sharing documents within Wickr. You can enforce that policy by a simple on-off. Auto-destruct. This is a group-level setting of how long messages can live. Quick responses. Define up to 10, and your users can select them in the application. For example, set messages like, "Please send in weekly reports ASAP," or "Lunch is in the break room." Built-in microphones or cameras on user devices or laptops can be disabled from use. This is especially useful in sensitive areas. Newly added feature 2FA. This protects from nefarious attempts to add devices to your user's account, much like banking applications today ask you to confirm your identity. Failed login attempts. This protects against brute-forced attacks. It will either reset the user's device or suspend their account. Note that if you use SSO, the 2FA and failed login attempt features will not be available, as SSO replaces these functions. By using SSO, your users will now access Wickr through their standard SSO usernames and passwords. Federation is a key feature. This allows you to define, again, with your organization's info governance policy and team structure of who can or cannot communicate using Wickr outside of your network. And remember, you can create numerous security groups. Apply them to your users like so. Access to your admin controls also provides some helpful troubleshooting information by accessing the event logs. Integrations are key. Wickr allows for you to add virtually any type of external tool or connection to your network, ranging from ticketing systems like Jira or Zendesk, calendars, DevOps engines like Git or AWS. Please contact support@wickr.com to get more information. Another quick tip. As an administrator, you can also create multiple Wickr networks. For example, you could have a single organization network for internal communications, But you may have a desire and need to manage third-party communications by placing them on their own network. Again, total flexibility to really target and meet your information governance needs. Thank you for taking the time to view this demo. If you have any questions or need additional help, please visit support.wickr.com.